So this is my galaxy simulation, sort of. I'm using Lagrangian mechanics that my roommate and I kind of derived a few months ago. It doesn't look a whole lot like a galaxy. It doesn't hold together very well. I've generated 450 stars, just placing them randomly using a normal distribution. I've also initialized it initialized the initial velocities with another normal distribution, and then I've also used another normal distribution for their masses, so it's pretty random. The random number generators and the distributions used are good. I've tested them. They do what they say. They're right out of the C++11 standard library. So yeah, they're pretty good. I've been running this for a few hours now, and it's kind of cool. It doesn't look a whole lot like a galaxy. It doesn't hold together very well, as I said. So what I've noticed is that it seems to go through periods of expansion and contraction. I think we're in an expansion period right now where it just kind of blows itself apart. I've put a super massive object right in the center. I think that this is maybe 1,000 times, 1,000 times the mass of the most massive object that can be generated. So it's pretty massive. And you can see it bends the orbits of these little guys that are just shooting around. I think this one's spinning around. And usually what you'll see is you'll get these really big ones hanging out around here, and they're not here. I think they fell in and died. No, I don't actually kill stars because that's hard to do right now. But we're about to see one get shot out. Because basically what happens is they get too close, and then the acceleration starts to approach infinity as they get closer to the center of this object, and yeah, infinity's pretty dang fast. And of course I'm referring to the floating point maximum number when I say infinity, so because we're working with a computer here, and computers don't handle infinity very well. So they get shot out and everything starts to expand, but it's kind of cool. It's kind of pretty. You get stars that are way out here just hanging out. This one's coming back in. This one's coming out. We might be in a transition period. The period between expansion and contraction seems to not be all that consistent. I haven't really measured it yet. I think it would be kind of cool to look at the sign of the average velocity with the average velocity with respect to the distance from the center black hole, and then you could look at for when it changes signs, and that would tell you what period you're in. But yeah, so anyway, this is 450 stars. It is pushing my computer a little bit. I think we're overheating. Yes, we are. We are definitely overheating. I should probably stop the screencast fairly soon because I don't think I kind of need my computer still. But anyway, yeah, the next task, because I would actually like to make a galaxy with lots of stars, lots more than this, and so basically we're going to have to figure out a way of cheating the physics, because one, this doesn't look at all like a galaxy. It's pretty, but it's not doing the spinning thing. A little bit earlier tonight we were actually seeing some consistent spinning. It was clockwise. Everything seemed to be spinning clockwise, which was kind of cool, but it has definitely devolved into this random chaos again. But all these little ones just keep shooting around. It's kind of cool. It's kind of fun to watch. kind of fun to fly through too. But yeah. So I'm going to look at ways of cheating physics and no more Lagrangian mechanics because it doesn't look right. It's fun.